Yeah.
Is custom GPTs, which,
Uh,
they're kind of a mixed bag too. You really have to make sure you're giving the right, all of this is, data in, data out. You got to give it the right framework to work from to get a good GPT, custom GPT. But I'd love to
yeah.
hear your thoughts, Ken.
We actually have an email course. It's freely available. You get drip 5 days of content, and then every day you get a quick lesson how to define your knowledge base. And so, for example, if I got a lot of writings and blog, I can actually collect that and feed that into something called custom GPT. So instead of OpenAI going out to People Magazine and Reddit and whatever
There are
resources
data
they have
sets, yeah.
indexed, it will be just limited to my knowledge. So it will sound like you. It will reflect your life experience a little bit, but undeniably, there's still something called AI hallucination. It will still make up facts. It will pretend that, oh, it's funny. I think if you do a test, it's like, what is today's date? Which is definitive, is black and white. Doesn't get it right the first time. So I would say that, again, highly trained intern that's very creative and it's very poetic at times.
Hmm.
But if you want it to be 100% scientific and factual, I would still combine that with that human touch.